Okay, in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up your pin name using Author Central, which connects to Amazon when you're publishing on KDP, the Amazon publishing platform. Okay, so I'm already signed in and I have two pen names already. My actual name, where I have some nonfiction and business books, and then my clean romance name. So I'm just adding a new book. And I went ahead and got the ASIN number, which you can find on your book's product page. So you already have to have your book up there. You can't set this up without that. Okay, so here we go. This is actually the book. So I'm going to click, this is my book. Now, I'm going to say, do you see your name below? I'm Sullivan Gray. So I'm going to say, this is me. If Sullivan Gray is your pen name, click this is my pen name and we'll create a separate biography and author profile. If this is not your pen name, click cancel. So I'm going to go ahead and click this is my pen name. Now you get up to 3 on an Author Central account. So I went ahead and did that. Now it's showing me some other books. So there's a Sullivan Gray series, which is not me. That would have been maybe good for me to have researched more before I chose this pen name, but I've had it for a while and just looked for other author names. That's fine. This is my book. I'm going to go ahead and click it. This is me. Because this was a co-authored book. So my co-author is also going to have to go and do that. So pen name claimed. So now you can see when I go over here, I have all of these things. And so now what I'm going to want to do is go right here. It kind of tells you, here's what you want to do. I want to go to my Author Central profile and add images, biography, and all that stuff. And so here's where I'm going to add a biography, and I'm going to go ahead and add an author page URL. I'm going to add a link to my freebie, which people can get the prequel to this book that I just claimed by signing up for my email list. So I'm going to be putting that. I might actually put that in the author page URL, and I might put that also, I'll probably put that also in the biography. So that is the easy way that you set up your pen name using Author Central for Amazon.